PS Steel is a leading provider of pipeline fitting solutions, specializing in stainless steel products. With a commitment to quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction, PS Steel has established itself as a trusted partner in the industry. Our company offers a comprehensive range of stainless steel pipe fittings, valves, and flanges to meet the diverse needs of our customers. We understand the importance of reliability and durability in pipeline systems, which is why we source only the highest quality materials and adhere to stringent manufacturing standards. Stainless steel pipes. We offer a variety of stainless steel pipes in different sizes, grades, and specifications to suit various applications. Pipe fittings. Our range of stainless steel pipe fittings includes elbows, T's, reducers, couplings, and more. Valves. PS Steel offers a comprehensive selection of stainless steel valves, including ball valves, gate valves, check valves, and butterfly valves. Flanges. We supply stainless steel flanges in various sizes and pressure ratings to meet the requirements of different piping systems. Our flanges are manufactured to high standards, ensuring proper alignment, sealing, and stability in pipeline connections.